Well, I'd started to train for the Blenheim Triathlon with my team at work. So I was doing the 5K run, and I was getting up, and as soon as I was getting near that 5K, I had to stop. I just couldn't do it. So I had to pull out of it. So I was quite devastated about that. I also figure skate. I stopped figure skating. So I stopped doing the things that were active that I enjoyed doing. Even walking the dog, you know, she was going for much shorter walks. It's frustrating because I felt older than I felt, if that makes sense. I felt like my body was thinking I was in my 60s rather than my early 50s. So if I think back to the GP and the original conversations I had about the pain that I had, my advice to anybody would be stick to your guns. You know your body better than anybody else does, but find somebody that you trust. James has, and I can't understate it, given me my life back. My mobility has changed, my weight has changed, my attitude has changed. I'm back to being much more happy and carefree and spontaneous. I think I'd stopped being spontaneous. So I would say trust yourself, trust your surgeon, and get it done, because you will not regret it. I don't regret it for a second.